Hey ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome to our channel. Let me take this opportunity first to appreciate my viewers who have always returned to watch my videos, and if you're watching for the first time, take a second or two, subscribe to our channel so that we can grow together. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday there was a Jubilee meeting that was called by former President Uhuru Kenyatta and was held in Nairobi. And among the people who attended that meeting was the former minister, some of the ministers who worked with Uhuru Kenyatta, including the Minister of Information during the times of Uhuru Kenyatta. There was the likes of Onyonga, that's the Senator Kisii, and Jeremiah Kioni was also in attendance in that meeting. So, ladies and gentlemen, Uhuru Kenyatta, it said that in that meeting, Uhuru Kenyatta first and the Jubilee leaders officially recognized Fred Okengo Matiang'i as the presidential flag bearer of Jubilee come 2027. And he also called Jubilee leaders, to work with Rigathi Gachagua, and he even appreciated what Rigathi Gachagua is doing. That is exposing what is happening in President Ruto's government, and also keeping the Mount Kenya region solid. So Uhuru Kenyatta in that meeting asked those leaders to work with Rigathi Gachagua. In this analysis, ladies and gentlemen, we want to look into the impact that Uhuru Kenyatta will bring into the 2027 presidential election. That is, if he is going to support Fred Matiang'i, and what are the chances that Fred Matiang'i will be given a ticket, and the implication in terms of tyranny of numbers. Will Uhuru Kenyatta help Matiang'i get numbers if he is given the presidential ticket, or Uhuru Kenyatta will make him lose some numbers? And without further ado, let's get into it. So the reason number one is that Uhuru Kenyatta will help Fred Matiang'i with one thing, and I've always said that the 2027 general election will be the most expensive and most continuous general election. A lot of monies or a lot of funds or resources are going to be used in that election. And I know Fred Matiang'i alone could have struggled a bit to raise funds to run for presidency. We have seen other big parties like ODM at some point calling their supporters to fund a presidential campaign. You can understand how heavy funding a presidential campaign is. So the fact that Uhuru Kenyatta is behind Fred Matiang'i, there is that fact that resource mobilization will be easy, and Uhuru Kenyatta can give some of a substantial fund to finance Fred Matiang'i's campaign. That is the benefit number one. Number two is that Uhuru Kenyatta will help negotiate Fred Matiang'i and Rigathi Gachagua effectively working together. Remember that there is an interview that was done the other day, and Rigathi Gachagua was saying that it's not the must that he is the presidential candidate. He can support any other person, including Fred Matiang'i. And if at that time comes and Uhuru Kenyatta sits on the table with Rigathi Gachagua and they agree to support Fred Matiang'i, then Uhuru Kenyatta will play a crucial role in influencing that outcome and ensuring that the Mount Kenya is solid. Imagine a Mount Kenya region where Uhuru Kenyatta and Rigathi Gachagua have joined together, then anybody trying to divide that vote will get a very difficult time. So that's the positive things that will aid Fred Matiang'i if Uhuru Kenyatta is going to support him, and he'll conduct the campaigns very well. Things that are not in favor is that the Gen Zs consider Uhuru Kenyatta as a leader who is in that old regime, and they want to do away with all leaders who have been in the old regimes. There is that slogan that is going that these are the same guy that tunataka kufagilia wote. So Uhuru Kenyatta coming behind Fred Matiang'i is going to make him lose some votes and get criticism from some Gen Zs who believe that these are the same people, and if it's Uhuru Kenyatta supporting Fred Matiang'i, this is returning the same Jubilee government that we had in space some times back. And by so doing, the Gen Z voting bloc will be a little bit lost, and a lot of people will be saying that that's returning Uhuru Kenyatta back to government. Second thing is that Matiang'i now will be forced to run under a Jubilee ticket. Remember, there is a party in Kisii registered called UPA, that was registered, that is affiliated with Matiang'i. A lot of people had expected that Matiang'i will use that party, but as things goes, it is now going to use Jubilee Party. Jubilee Party is a party that has held power in this country, and a lot of people will not be seeing any new image with that Jubilee Party. They will be seeing it as the same party that was in power and a party that is trying to clinch power. So if Jubilee Party had a bad name with some people, it will be very difficult for them to re-elect Fred Matiang'i on the same ticket. Otherwise, those are the two things that will be working against him and the two things that are working in favor of him. The two things working in favor of him is that the resources will be available. Number two, coalition negotiation to get the presidential ticket with the likes of Rigathi and Kalonzo in the presence of Uhuru Kenyatta will be a bit easier, and Uhuru Kenyatta can influence presidential ticket to Fred Matiang'i easily. Things that are working against him is that Jubilee Party, a lot of Kenyans don't know it, for it has hold the power, and people don't have that interest to return it to power again. Another thing is that Gen Z wants to do away with the old regimes of power, including Uhuru Kenyatta, and by fronting Fred Matiang'i, they'll feel that the same guy, and they may not give him votes. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, that's but only my opinion. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll take my humble time to give you a response, and always stay safe whenever you are. If you're watching this channel for the first time, take a second to subscribe to our channel, and if politics is what you like, this is where you should be. Otherwise, have a nice day and stay safe whenever you are.